encourage you guys who are looking into van life, who are about to start van life, or who want to start van life, or want any advice about van life, to do it as well. Hello out there in TV land. I miss my mama. But guess what? We are going to visit her. She called me yesterday. She called me yesterday and was like, Booby, I need you home, Booby. Can you come home, Booby? Come home for a week, Booby. Guess what we about to do? Go home for a week. As you know from my last vlog, I checked into a hotel here in Vegas, and originally it was supposed to be for 2 nights. I extended that 3 more nights. So 2 nights came and gone so quickly. I extended it 3 more nights. Today is Friday, and I will be leaving Vegas today, headed home on a red eye tonight. It's gonna be with my mom for a week. Who knows what she wants? She need help. She don't need help. She just miss me, which is very rare. Not her missing me is rare, but when she actually expresses that she needs me to do something and needs me to be there, that's rare. So I gotta go home for the net. Because I'm catching a red eye, normally I like to, be looking fresh in the airport. But because it's a red eye, I really don't need to, or don't even feel like being fresh. But when I do step out, I'm fresh, right? So I'm just gonna put a little mascara on my eyes so I don't be looking bald-headed, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna put my lashes on. I'm just gonna put a little mascara on the eyelashes so I don't be looking bald-headed. Yeah, she ain't bald-headed in the eyes today. You may be wondering, why did you take a break from van life? Let me answer the question. Why did I take a break from van life? Because I just feel like I needed to. I needed my body. I've been in the desert, literally, man, the week ending in January, all the way up until I checked into the hotel. I've been in the desert. Desert. And don't get me wrong, I love my van. I love the comfortability that it provides me. I had it built out that way for a reason. But there's also nothing wrong with having your version of R&R. And this is my version of R&R. I felt like I really needed to step away for a week or 2, and that's what I'm doing. I listen to my body. I know when my body needs to chill and step away from whatever it needs or doesn't need at that time, and this is what that is for me. Everybody copes with things differently. There's nothing wrong with my van. There's nothing wrong with van life. I just felt like I needed to take a breather, refresh, and hop back in again. That's it. There's nothing wrong with that. And I encourage you guys who are looking into van life, who are about to start van life, or who want to start van life, or want any advice about van life, to do it as well. There's nothing wrong with it. When I was staying in a home, I did the same thing. I felt like I just needed to go away for a couple days outside of my city and relax and just get away from my environment. It's the same thing with van life. There's nothing different. There's nothing different about that. This whole thing with my mom, though, was totally, actually everything was unexpected. I did not expect to even come. Vegas was not on my radar. I didn't want to come to Vegas. For what? I woke up one morning and said I want to have a mini vacation. Vegas was the nearest biggest city, so I drove 2 hours from where we were at in the desert in Arizona to Vegas, and here, voila, you know what I'm saying? I forgot what I was actually talking about. Girl, am I just talking on and on? I think I am. What is you talking about, Nat? What is you talking about? I don't know. Alright, guys, so I am checked out of the hotel. I really just need to pack my bag, my suitcase, so I can be ready to leave this area and head to the airport around, flight's at 11:30. Probably around 8, 9, 10-ish. Alright guys, this trash can stinks. I mean, not the trash can, the refrigerator stinks. And I'm just going to throw out everything I can because I don't want my car to attract any kind of rodents or stink extremely bad when I come back. So everything must go. What's this? Sour cream, is this going to be good? Oh, it's watering, gotta go. This milk out. Oh, did not eat the salmon. It says used by 225. It is 3.5. I'm such a waste. Try to clean up a little bit. Clean my stove. All right, we are all set to go. I am clean. Clean, clean, clean. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I just should relax and try to go around the strip since I haven't been to the strip. I mean, outside of my hotel on the strip since I've been here. But I just don't know if I feel like it. I will see you guys in just a little bit. Vegas time. And I have a 4-hour flight ahead of me, but thankfully I get to lay down. I'm tired. Guys, I finally made it to Atlanta after a 4-hour red-eye flight. I'm so tired. My next flight is in 3 hours, so to pass the time I do like to access the Delta Sky Club. It brings me peace of mind so I don't have to wait in the terminal. And also get free drinks and food and coffee. So they have these things this morning. Bacon, egg, and cheese slider. Got me a little mimosa, some coffee. And then my view. I was going to do work when I came here, but I'm tired. I'm going to enjoy my 3 hours here. Hopefully take a nap and then get ready to see Mother Dearest. Guys, finally made it to South Bend, Indiana, home of Notre Dame. Anywho, I told Jeanette to be here at 11:25. What time is it? 11:30, and she still ain't here. So technically my body is still on Vegas time, West Coast time. My body thinks it's 8:30. I caught a flight pretty much at midnight Vegas time, and I only had 3 hours of sleep. Yeah, 15 minutes late to be exact. You late?
I got lost.
You ain't getting no loss.
I wanna know you, Lord.
Pause. I can't get demonetized.
What? who?
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I got lost.
That you want me to come.
I was trying to
We
come
over
down
that
this
part.
road down
We
instead
over
of
that
coming
part.
Lincoln way.
Let it go. What seems to be the problem that you want me to fly home the next day?
I did that. How you bald head? Oh, you not bald head. You got something going on up there.
Can you drive? You ain't into the road. Why are you looking at my hair? You can see my hair when we get to the house.
I was trying to get the shortcut because I was trying to get here because I knew you was waiting, and then I knew you was going to be mad if I was late. And I was late. You mad?
She get on my nerves.
Sophia home now. Sophia home.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
You have to be so loud?
Yeah, I do.
You have to be so loud.
You ain't doing nothing but texting.
I'm texting a very important. Excuse you.
Girl, she thinks she's the busiest woman in the world. I promise you. Guys, obviously it's the next day. Mother and I are in Indianapolis, visiting my brother, and then we will go pick up my nieces today. Take them to lunch before we head back to South Bend, Indiana, the home of the Irish. So I am on TT duty right now. TT duty, and they love seeing themselves on the big screen. So,
hello.
This is my eldest. This is my second. And then this is the youngest. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
My babies. Why you get your shoes off, babe?
Because there's something in my shoe.
There's some. You got them on the wrong foot. First of all, you got it. I don't want to break my nail. Now put this one on, babe. Yeah, sweet pea. Oh, baby, be careful. What? Come flying like that? Crazy.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try. Yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want.
I don't know. You want her out here?
Yeah.
She might be laying down. Quiet as it's kept. Tell her come on out here. If I gotta be out here, she gotta be out here. Yeah.
Outside. Come on.
Yeah. They said they want Granny out.
No, Granny always come here and spend time with the girls. And so now it's TT turn, and Granny got to drive home, so Granny need a cat nap. Thank you very much. Shut my door.
Who said you was driving?
Shut my door.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, your cat nap.
Enjoy your cat nap. You're my sweet little baby. Why are you so pretty?
Because God made me that way.
That's why you're so pretty. You so pretty looking like you, TT, huh? Oh, chocolate drop.
CP,
Yeah, baby.
you can put me in slow-mo when you're editing this.
I know. But you ain't got to tell me how to do my job. Excuse me.
I'm giving you some tips to make it feel
Oh, you giving me some tips. I know that's right. Good morning, afternoon. I'm not really sure what time of day it is, but it feels like these days that I've been home have come and gone so quickly. Tomorrow will mark 2 weeks that I've actually been back home and away from Zion. And I really do miss her, honestly. Thankfully, I will be flying back home on Sunday. I really didn't know how long I would be here. I don't know how long my mother would need me here, but I do miss my van, and we still have, more to do once I get back into the van, and I have settled my mother's affairs and I feel comfortable leaving now. So I wanted to leave you guys with something though, especially for those who have yet to experience van life, and whether you're just here because you think it's interesting, you don't have any plans to do van life, that's fine as well. Or you're here because you do have plans to do van life, and these videos and what have you are helping you. I do want to leave you with this. There are people who have these preconceived ideas on what van life should be, how people should do van life. And the only thing that I have to say about that is there is no one way to do van life. van life is not one size fit all. Take me for example. I do plan on, whenever I get the chance or whenever I feel that my body needs to, I will take a break. A couple days, a couple weeks, whatever my body needs at that time, that's what I will do. I flew home 2 weeks ago. And although it all kind of just fell into place that my mother, you know, needed me, requested me to be home. And then I just felt like I needed this. So that was another push of why I did come home. So for those of you who plan on doing van life, I encourage you to do van life your way. I think that was a period at the end. You know how they say, period, boo. That was one of those. Just do it how you feel that you need to do it. It doesn't matter what somebody else has done in the past. Of course, there will always be people that have actual wise things to say and have experienced things in different circumstances that you can take from, because I take from a lot of other people as well, and have learned through their experiences. But when it all comes down to it, you are the one that's going to be living this life. So do what is best for you. Do your van life how you should be doing your van life. Does that make sense? Or do I sound like a broken record? That's all I really wanted to say right now. I will be back in the van the next video, and I'm pretty excited. I cannot wait to see my baby. I really do miss her. So if you did enjoy this video, if it was a little entertaining for you, I really would appreciate you hitting that like button. Share it with a buddy or two. Oh, I forgot. My tiny home tour on Tiny Home Tours here on YouTube went live yesterday. If you haven't seen it, I do encourage you to go watch it now. The link will be down below here. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of strange seeing me on another channel other than my own, and I was like kind of cringing hearing myself talk, and I was so nervous filming the video. I'm not sure if you guys remember that from back when I was with the other group and Brian toured it. It was kind of cringing watching myself talk, and I was like, oh my gosh, girl. Anywho, let me know what you think of that tour in the comment section below. But all in all, it did turn out great. I loved it. And I love the support that I have been receiving so far. So as always, guys, if you want to be friends with your girl, because I am y'all friend, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, I appreciate y'all. Y'all be rocking with me, and I love it. I really do love it. I will see you guys next time. But in the meantime, in between time, stay inspired, keep dreaming, and be blessed. When I'm home, I like to be home and really, really be present, since I only have, a certain amount of time with my mom and whoever else is around.
Can you record? Can you film it? You should film it. You should do this. You should do that.
That's that oldest one right there.
Yes.
Telling me what to do, telling me how I should edit.
I was a YouTuber.
How does that? Oh, you a YouTuber?
I was.
Oh, you was a YouTuber. What happened?
I did time lapse and everything.
She did time lapse and everything, y'all. Well, all right, yeah. There you have it. Anything you gotta add to this video?
Yeah.
What?
She just uploaded a video.
Okay. She don't even want to sing. Bye.